I'm ready to wash my face. Like I just finished working out. Like $5 for a cleanser. It's gonna have you looking like, what?
Especially when baby been not play with. She gangsta cute face with. She ain't gon' play with. Whole spot gon' shake, nigga. Niggas can't see me like Ray, nigga. And I'm shining like a Ray, nigga. And I can put it on any day, nigga.
Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. So I'm getting ready to show you all my daily morning skincare routine. Let's pull my hair back. I'm finally caught up on P-Valley between Miami and Dallas. I got a little bit behind, but now I'm caught up. I mean, it's always been drama filled. The first episode when I watched it, I was like, okay, wait, season 2 is not giving what season 1 was giving, but it's wild. A lot of times we talk about what makes a woman strong, and I feel like it equally takes strength for a woman to like still be somewhere versus a woman who could like just up and just leave a certain situation. I don't think one trumps the other when it comes to like who's strong and who's not, because to stay somewhere makes you strong too. I feel like strength to endure. Yikes. All right, so I start off using the Ambi Even and Clear Cocoa Butter Facial Cleanser. I don't really type my skin, but I also kind of want to put it out there. I know y'all hate the disclaimers. I don't have acne prone skin. I don't have hyperpigmentation. I don't really even just get breakouts often. First, I take my Ambi, 2 pumps, wet face, and I work this in for just like 1 minute over the face. It doesn't really have like a fragrance to it. I just kind of use my hands and massage around in circular motions, making sure to get the T-zone, get all of the face. Even though I just got out of the shower, my neck has the same skincare routine as my face. So let's talk about my motto for 31, right? So if you all have been here when I was 30, my motto was live your truth, be who you are unapologetically, out loud, living out loud, right? So that was my motto for 30. If you saw the video where we celebrated my mom's birthday, me and her were just kind of talking about like how difficult it is to film sometimes when you're trying to be in the present and in the moment, right? She was like, do I post this picture right now? Do I wait? Like, what am I supposed to do, right? Like overthinking it in a sense, like, oh, when do I drop the birthday content? And I simply just said to her, whatever comes naturally, do that. And that stuck with me. We're gonna rinse. Okay, I'm back. State Farm. Hello. Thanks, bye. Okay. Alrighty, so State Farm is trying to get me to come back, but like, is this telling y'all too much of my business? Never mind, whatever comes naturally, do that. So State Farm, like when you're like in the home buying process, basically, you can like get different quotes from different companies and all of that, right? To see who, like you give them your address to get a quote as far as what your insurance would be. My renter's insurance was with State Farm, but when I got my quote for where I currently live, where I purchased my home at, they didn't give me like the best price, so I didn't go with them, and now they're trying to like get me to come back, so they're trying to compare the numbers and all of that. I love State Farm because of their customers, like their customer service and everything is like really good. The people who I'm currently with, I don't want to like name drop or anything. Everything is like on auto pay, so I never have to talk to them about anything because the money just comes like right out for the insurance. So yeah, they trying to do that right now. I told them to give me a call back because we recording, okay? Anywho, my face done dry, girl, but after that, I would have pat it dry with a paper towel, right? So yeah, just going back to that, I'm an overthinker. I overthink everything. Even like on live, I was trying to plan out how I want to do my content and oh, is the lighting like this and what necklace I want to wear and all of that, right? 31 for me now just basically means whatever comes naturally, do that. Just go with it, go for it, and don't overthink it. So this is the Ambi Even and Clear Intense Clarifying Toner. It adds glow to the skin, it minimizes the pores, and it helps with an even tone. I think I picked this up in December when I saw it at the beauty supply store. And like I said, whatever I do to my neck, same thing to my face. Then I take a cotton pad. Ooh! Basically just wipe out and then upwards little strokes like this. I wanted to kind of talk a little bit, but I'm realizing I can't talk through my skincare routine because I gotta talk about the products. So I'm gonna have to sit down and do like a separate video, just kind of chatting with you all about a lot of different things. And also the rebrand of my channel that I'm slowly trying to ease into. I don't want to ease it on you all too fast and all of a sudden, but I'm definitely trying to do like a rebrand, just a little bit. So wiping the neck upwards, and then I'll take some more of this. If you don't want to mist it on your face the way I did, I always read the instructions when I'm doing or using new products or just products in general, I like to see what's recommended. So you can put it on the cotton pad and then use it like that. I just don't mind misting it over my face. And I take the toner and I use that to clean my ears as well. Just kind of like ringing around the inside and wiping the back. Wiping right here where my earring is and everything. Ooh. 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 So yeah, that's what I'm working on and focusing on for myself. I'm also working on right now trying to establish more of a morning routine. So after that, I go into my vitamin E oil. This is by Olay Boosters Vitamin E Oil Serum. I'll do separate B-roll, it's tripping right now. So I take a few drops of this and I just put it all over my face. Just like that, and then I take one more for the neck. Oh, I'm gonna have to catch it, I dropped it. It's easy to have structure to your life when it's organized for you, especially when it comes to your work. You know what time to be there, when you get to leave. But when you work for yourself, you have to establish that structure for yourself. You're not answering to anyone. Nobody holds you accountable except yourself. So everything that you establish for yourself is just through you. So I'm trying to focus on establishing more of like a set routine, and I'm practicing with the start of August, working on more consistency in different areas of my life. So I've been setting an alarm clock and trying to build a morning routine. Once I've established one, I'll share it with you all. The last step, I take my Ambi Even and Clear Nourishing Daily Face Moisturizer. This is not sponsored by Ambi, I just like their stuff. 2 pumps of that, and then I just work it all over my face. This went so fast, I'm not even able to talk. Wow, I didn't even get the chance to really talk to you all. I kind of like to rub up, kind of like up and out. I like to keep it simple, and I guess that goes back to my motto of whatever comes naturally, just do that. Okay, glow. Okay, skin. One thing that I love to check for with like my morning moisturizers, like my daytime moisturizers, have SPF. So the Ambi one does have SPF 30, so I like this one for the daytime. Like my last day in Dallas, I went to Six Flags, right? And for whatever reason, I just took like regular lotions with me, as opposed to when I was in Miami. I was like, oh, I know I need sunscreen. Like I need to be putting on my sunscreen, right? And I think it's because I kind of packed last minute. I was like, okay, I can pack last minute. I got this. And I forgot my sunscreen. I always mix my sunscreen a little bit with my moisturizers and things. I'm gonna do a separate shower and body care routine for you all soon. But that last day when I was at Six Flags, I think that was the day where I was outside the most. The peeling is finally starting to stop now. But my face didn't peel, thank goodness, because I had on my SPF and I like spent time really doing my skincare routine. Definitely make sure that you're wearing SPF during the daytime. If you guys saw my dermatologist video, then y'all heard her talking about the importance of SPF, especially in black skin and melanin. We like to assume that for whatever reason we're exempt and we're safe, but that's not necessarily true. I also picked up the product that she recommended. I got the full size of it. My Amazon unboxing favorites video. Let me let my hair down. That's gonna be coming soon. I've already filmed it. It's just the order of me uploading. So I did purchase the full size of this. It's UV clear because some sunscreens, they leave like a gray cast. And so since this one is UV clear, it doesn't really do that to the skin. So since I'm just about to sit down and edit for you all right now, I don't need to apply both. But some days I alternate these. Just want to kind of put that out there. But for at least the past 6 months, this, what I just showed you all, has been my morning routine. That's what I do to my face, really quick, really simple. If I want to talk through it, it would have been 5 minutes because I've set a timer before and that's literally how long it takes. What else? I like to just go ahead and just like apply some chapstick. And then if I'm leaving the house and all of that, I may put on like some gloss, or if I'm vlogging. I got like a lot of different chapsticks. I keep it in my nightstand as well. This one that I keep in here on my bathroom little counter space is the Vaseline Lip Therapy. This is the original one. All of the products that I've used, I will link them down below for you all. You can order directly from Ambi. Not sponsored, I just love, clearly, and my skin loves their products as well. You can order directly from Ambi, or I know Amazon has 2-day shipping on these products if you get it like straight from them. And I like this cleanser, like it's only like $5.99 I think. Let me see. There's not a price that I put on skincare. I feel like if you really want to take care of your skin, you purchase what you need, right? I'm more so like the type of person to where it's like, if it works, I'm gonna use it. I'll screenshot it to show you all, and it's currently $5.69. Like $5 for a cleanser. It's gonna have you looking like, what? I'm gonna add up all the products. I wanna see how much my morning skincare routine costs, okay? Okay, so that's pretty much it for my morning skincare routine, guys. Like, that's literally all that I do in the morning time. That is all. I have other products, but I don't want to like whip out a whole bunch of stuff and start showing you all. I also use this sometimes. I also use this. I also use that. Occasionally though, I do apply the Clarins Total Eye Lift. And I have like different eye creams that I use, different anti-aging products because I am 31 now. And I just really like to make sure that I'm taking good care of my skin. Another thing that I like to also do, whichever products I'm using on my face, I like to use on my hands as well, because aging, you'll see that in the face and you'll also start to see it in the hands. Like, those are some spots where you kind of cannot hide it. I like to rub in an upwards motion. You know how you rub your face in an upwards motion to make sure that it doesn't sag? So I rub the hands. My little sister Boone told me this. Like, I rub my hands down like this with that same product as well to make sure my hands are nourished. The last thing that I like to do morning and night, but I am going to show you all my nighttime routine. I keep these in my nightstand, so let me grab it. So y'all saw how I had got that phone call earlier, right? Right in the middle of me doing my skincare routine. I like to take these little electronic wipes. And you can get these on Amazon. A little hack for this if you don't want to purchase these little wipes. Like, if you look at it, it says isopropyl alcohol 70%. When I don't have the little cute aesthetic wipes, I'll just grab this. My Equate 70% alcohol. And I like to wipe my phone down because you're on this phone a lot. It's all over your face. If you notice that you're breaking out right here in the cheek area, it's most likely a cell phone type of breakout, because we're on our phones a lot, for one, especially at night when you get settled and you about to be caking with bae on the phone. So you want to make sure your phone is just as clean and sanitized. Wipe my phone down just like this. And for on the go, because obviously I wouldn't be able to take all of this, but for on the go, you can keep these wipes in your purse. That way, if you're like out at the restaurant or something like that, you're sitting your phone down on the counter. Sometimes when you go to the restaurant, they don't have anywhere for you to sit the phone. I'm sorry though, I'm gonna do this. Like, I'm gonna just have to make do, and that's how I gotta go. Like, or I just put it in my purse. So yeah, these are great for keeping in the purse as well. This is not a sponsored video, but I really wanted to talk to you all about the products that I love and use as far as my skincare. Maybe one day it will be sponsored by Ambi, because if you've seen any of my skincare routines, I have been an Ambi girl for years. Mainly because it works. I know as a YouTuber sometimes you want to see us use different products, switch it up, use this, use that, but I'm also true to, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So for as long as this routine is working for me, I may dibble and dabble here and there, but I'm loyal to what I love. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. If you all do try any of these products, if you don't try anything else, I recommend the cleanser. And I've also seen the Ambi products in Walmart, the beauty supply stores, and I think that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I'll talk to y'all later. So in regular lighting, this is what we're giving. I won't say regular lighting, but lighting without the ring lights and everything. This is my skin. This is what it looks like. With the products that I use, it does kind of give my skin a glow, but it's not like a greasy feel. Like, I don't feel like a grease ball, but my skin has a little glow with it. Also keep in mind that the glow comes from within, so make sure that you're drinking your water, minding your business, being a kind person, just doing good. Tried to relay my edges, but I'm about to hurry up and go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded for you all today. I do want to do more of like a chat coming up really soon for you all, because I wasn't able to squeeze everything into my skincare routine, because I wanted to kind of cover the products. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Also, it's not a filter on the camera as opposed to my vlog camera, so that's why I wanted to use this one. Shout out to Instagram Live fam for chatting with me while I was getting everything set up. And yeah, happy Tuesday. Have a good day. Hey y'all, so Destiny. Today I'll be filming my skincare routine, baby. Get into it. Like, classy Destiny giving you the skincare routine though. So Ratchet Destiny, she has to go, okay? I'm kidding, she gonna be here. I want y'all to say hey, Say hey to the vlog. Say hey to the vlog. Oh, this is not a vlog, my bad. Say hey to the skincare routine. They helping me make decisions right now for getting set up for the video. Oh, we got Sunny in the building, baby. What's good? I'm gonna call y'all back.
Yeah. Remember them days when I didn't have it? I ain't going back to that, no.